What's up, guys? Slim William Games here. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial to show you guys how to install Light, CompuLite+Charge and Collision Update. Okay, so what this basically is when you first get your computer in your LSPDFR, you're going to have a relatively short list, but if you add this to your LSPDFR, it will give you a variety of stuff. So like when you arrest the pet and you want to bring charges upon them, it gives you a longer list, a way longer list. So let's go back. It gives you more options and stuff like that when you after you arrest the guy. So or arrest the pet. It gives you more options. So this is it right here. So what you want to do is you want to go to download. You want to go to the main file xml.rar. Go to download. Hope you guys are doing it right today. So once you get to this part, you want to go to open file. You want to go to XML plugin. So what you want to do is go find your Grand Theft Auto 5 main directory. Mine is in Steam. All right, and this is the README text right here. It says drag and drop plugins folder in your root GTA directory and overwrite your current file. So what we're going to do is go to plugin, LSPDFR, stop the ped. There's it right there. Back up, go to computer copyright, charges and collisions. So you want to go back. You want to go to XML and plugin. You just want to drag the plugin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and replace. Alright, go to plugin. That's PDFR. Alright, let's go into the game and I will see if it works. It should work because I do this all the time. So let's go into the game and I will see you guys in the game.
got citizens reporting a person carrying an explosive on Loudport, the freeway.
Okay, guys, once we get into the game,
we are en route.
we're just going to pull somebody over real quick. Let's cut this video off. We're just going to pull somebody over real quick to make sure everything works so I can show you guys how it works. So let's... this person will work. She already got illegal lights anyway, so we're just going to pull her over for this tutorial.
Oh, crap.
Come on, pull over. Alright, so what you want to do is, of course, do your role play, you know, your pad checks and plate checks.
Target license plate 6-2
Kate
Charles
Black.
David Victor 875 no 1099.
So, whoa, that guy about ran me over.
Greetings.
Alright, so what we're going to do is ask for all documents.
Hey, buddy.
Thanks.
No, I can't hang out tonight. I'm going to an Epsilon meeting.
Okay, so what you want to do is hop back in your vehicle.
I don't believe it.
And you want to go to Pad Records, Kate Black, and that's it. We're going to create a arrest report. You see, you get all of this now, guys. You get warrants and warnings, traffic crimes, license and registration. You get traffic crimes, DUI, traffic crimes, property shoplifting, criminal mischief. I mean, you get a lot more stuff, guys. So you can go to look at warrants, first degree warrants, license, stuff for DUIs, stuff for crime. We're just going to add a couple of fake charges on her stuff for some reason. I mean, you got a lot of stuff, guys. Possession. We're adding fake stuff on here. I mean, and look over here. You got... So, if you watch my last episode, when I did, before I added this, you only get a short list. So, with this, you can put drug trafficking. You know, you just add a bunch of stuff on here, guys. So, tampering witness intimidation. They got juvenile crimes, animal cruelty crimes, fire and weapons crimes, police and rioting crimes, kidnapping crimes, arson crimes, robbery crimes, assault and battery crimes, assault on police officer, sexual assault, homicide, manslaughter. I mean, you just got a lot more. And also, if you want to go to create citation, you can give out warnings, seat belts, parking violations, where they get hefty parking violations and fines, license and registration fines. So this is for when you want to give out tickets and stuff like that, guys. This is a great tool to use. I suggest you go ahead and use this. I mean, you can just hit them with all sorts of charges and stuff. So let's go ahead and well, since I already got her hit with all these crimes, she's going to jail.
Yeah, well, kiflom yourself too, buddy. Later.
So we're just going to get her out the car, and Grandma's going to jail.
Jerk.
Please, no. I'm just here on...
Whoops! I meant to get my taser. Oh crap! Let me get an ambulance. Send an ambulance unit my way.
Assistance required in Puerto del Sol.
But guys, this is just a great tool to use. I suggest everybody get this tool and add it to your LSPDFR. It's a great tool. Oh hell, she did have stuff. She had kilos of cocaine and methamphetamine on her. Let me go ahead and move her car. So technically she did have stuff on her, so I'm going to go ahead and get her a tow truck.
Tow truck. Assistance required in Vespucci Canal.
I'd really be surprised she's alive or
They're
not.
gone, bro.
Nope.
That shit ain't real.
Mom's right. I should move to Vice City.
Alright, so I'm going to call a coroner unit for this dead
Assistance
woman.
required in Vespucci Canal.
But that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you have Computer CompuLite Plus. It's called Computer CompuLite Plus or something like that. And if you install it right, like I did, she look at all the stuff this woman had, man. But and you can also look up your court cases as well. So you can look at your court cases. So, but all right, leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Slim William Games channel. I'm out, guys. Peace.